How to cash out in Sweatcoin app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see how you can cash out in the Sweatcoin app. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and if this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Open the Sweatcoin app. Tap here. In the shop section, you will see all the gift cards you can get in exchange for your Sweatcoins, but there is no option to cash out via PayPal or bank transfer. The thing is that according to Sweatcoin, right now there is no option to cash out your Sweatcoin balance for real money other than purchasing one of their PayPal or Amazon vouchers. However, if you invite lots of friends and are part of their influencer marketplace, then you will see PayPal offers. The long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges. They are launching Sweatcoin cryptocurrency this summer. As a result, once the Sweatcoin is listed on cryptocurrency exchanges, then you will be able to exchange it for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, etc. Or you will be able to cash out through selling it on exchanges. So this is how you can cash out your Sweatcoins. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.